Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be making soy wax candles for about the second time in my life. The first time that I tried making soy wax candles, this is what happened. I cooked the heck out of this wax. I learned the hard way that I gotta babysit pretty much my Presto pot. The Coconut 83 wax, which is the wax that I use the most, is currently out of stock everywhere. Coconut wax is near impossible to find on the market right now. I have decided to shift my focus from coconut to soy. Right now I am melting soy wax. I've done several burn tests already for them, so I know exactly what works for my Candle Science jars. What I'm gonna do now is wait for them to reach 170 degrees, and I have my little thermometer here so I can read the temperature. I have the wicks stickers. I have all of my supplies ready to go. It just needs to melt, and it melts very slowly because you don't want to cook your wax. As I wait for the Presto pot to fully melt the wax, I am going to weigh out the fragrance oils that I'll be using. And I'm also gonna use the straw to help me position my wicks into each vessel. You always want to weigh out your fragrance oils because some fragrance oils might be denser. As you can see, these both have the same amount of ounces to them. The clear one has more. I'm going to take this straw and the wicks, thread the straw through the wicks, and then use the straw as a guide so I don't have to cram my fingers into the jars. Now that the thermometer has read 170, I am going to start pouring exactly 46.92 ounces of wax, and then I will add the fragrance oil right after.